Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bluevine's bank statements. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first step is to log into your Bluevine account on the website. Statements are currently easier to download from desktop rather than mobile, so be sure to go to the website. From the main menu, select Statements. Now choose the account that you want, typically your Bluevine business checking account. Then select the month or date range that you need. Statements are generated monthly and you can access past periods at any time. Click download or the PDF icon next to the statement. The file is going to be saved to your device. Open the PDF to review it. You can see your starting balance, your deposits, withdrawals, fees, interest earned, and of course ending balance. Keep copies stored securely, or you can share them with your accountant or lender if required. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.